Here's how to publish Emergent AI app on App Store in less than 3 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in the step-by-step guide so you can take your app from development to being live on the App Store without getting stuck in the process. Start by making sure your app is fully built and working inside your development platform. Before publishing, test all features to confirm everything runs smoothly. This includes checking buttons, screens, and any AI functions so users won't run into issues after download. The next step is preparing your app for release. This means setting up important details like your app name, description, and visuals. You'll need an app icon and screenshots that show how your app works. These are what people see before downloading, so keep them clear and easy to understand. After that, create your App Store listing through your developer account. Once you log in, look for the option to add a new app. Enter the required information such as the app name, category, and basic details. This creates the listing where your app will appear once it's approved. Now move on to uploading your app build. Export your app from your development platform and prepare it for submission. Then upload it through the App Store tools provided in your developer account. This step connects your actual app file to the listing you created earlier. Next, complete the required settings. This includes choosing pricing, availability, and any permissions your app needs. You'll also need to answer a few questions about how your app works, especially if it uses user data or online features. Once everything is filled in, the next step is submitting your app for review. The platform will check your app to make sure it meets their guidelines. This process can take some time, so it's important to make sure everything is correct before submitting. While waiting, keep your app ready for any updates. If the review team requests changes, make the adjustments and resubmit. Once approved, your app will go live and become available for users to download. To improve your chances of approval, keep your app simple, clear, and fully functional. Avoid broken features and make sure all information is accurate. This helps prevent delays during the review process. By following these steps, you can publish your Emergent AI app on the App Store without confusion. From preparing your app to submitting it for review, each step moves you closer to making your app available to users.